Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to log an email in Salesforce using Flow, quickly and easily. First, log into your Salesforce account. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and choose Advanced Setup from the dropdown. Next, in the Setup window, use the quick Find box and type Flows. When the option appears, click it to open the flow management page. After that, click Start from Scratch to create a new flow. This gives you full control and avoids any preset configurations. Now choose Record Triggered Flow as the flow type. This means the flow will run automatically when a specific action happens, in this case when an email is sent. Set the object to email message. Then choose the trigger condition. A record is created. This ensures the flow activates every time a new email message is logged in Salesforce. To complete the setup, click Save and give your flow a clear name, something like Log Email on Send. Then click Activate to turn it on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.